No, it's because his head is
There you
tilted.
go.
It's fine.
Boys, it's fun when you play for big money, man.
It's fun when you play for Chuck's money.
Wow.
It's always fun with somebody else's money.
I don't have my phone. And I'm trying to win. Are you kidding me?
What, Brian?
Wait, all right.
But now I know.
Did everyone get more?
Yeah. You know what?
Yes.
Come on!
I know what she's got, so I'm not giving her shit.
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, I gave you the wrong one, Terry.
Oh, crap.
Oh, shit. Oh, God.
I know.
I thought 4 inches go by.
Too much pressure on you guys.
Who's doing this?
And Terry's leaning forward.
You have to look at the board. You missed 4.
Who got it?
Yes.
Who lost? All right. I was scared no one had it.
She's been carrying 6 cards the whole time. I've been watching for a queen.
Who didn't get it? Me. Oh, you shouldn't have got it.
That was.